How to use Squire Patton Boggs properly, beginner mistakes that cost you. Squire Patton Boggs is a global law firm with expertise in multiple sectors, but beginners often make mistakes that limit their results in engaging their services. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not clarifying objectives. Most people get this wrong by requesting legal support without defining goals. Clearly outline what you need, be it regulatory advice, litigation, or corporate transactions, to get precise guidance. Second mistake, ignoring expertise areas. You won't believe how many clients assume any lawyer can handle all cases. Match your matter with the firm's relevant sector or practice group for the best outcome. Third mistake, failing to communicate efficiently. The surprising truth is regular updates and clear questions prevent misunderstandings and delays. Provide complete information and respond promptly to requests. Fourth mistake, underestimating costs. Legal services can be expensive. Beginners sometimes assume fixed rates for complex cases. Discuss fee structures, retainers, and billing expectations upfront to avoid surprises. Finally, not leveraging additional resources is common. Squire Patton Boggs offers research, publications, and international networks. Use these to enhance your strategy and make informed decisions. By defining objectives, selecting the right practice area, communicating clearly, understanding fees, and using additional resources, you can work with Squire Patton Boggs effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your legal matters will be handled efficiently, strategically, and successfully.